Luxe Bidet users frequently encounter several common problems that can usually be resolved with simple fixes. Understanding these issues and their solutions can save time and prevent frustration. The most common issue is leaks at supply line connections. These typically occur where the braided hose connects to the bidet or T adapter. Proper installation and tight seals are essential to prevent water damage. Low water pressure prevents the nozzle from extending or retracting properly. This affects the bidet's basic functionality and can be caused by supply line restrictions or inadequate home water pressure. Mineral buildup is a major cause of nozzle problems. Hard water deposits can clog spray holes and prevent proper nozzle retraction. Regular cleaning prevents these issues from developing. Spray control problems often stem from control panel issues. Knobs may become stiff, break, or fail to properly adjust water flow and direction. Understanding the control layout helps with troubleshooting. T-adapter problems can cause leaks and installation difficulties. Broken adapters, worn washers, or improper threading are common issues. Replacement parts are available through customer support or DIY solutions. Most Luxe bidet problems can be resolved with basic troubleshooting and maintenance. Regular cleaning, proper installation, and prompt attention to leaks will keep your bidet functioning reliably for years. Proper maintenance and systematic troubleshooting are essential for keeping your Luxe bidet functioning reliably for years to come. Focus on preventative measures to avoid common problems. Regular monthly inspections of all connections help catch leaks early before they cause damage. Tighten any loose connections you find during inspections. Hand tight is usually sufficient. Avoid over-tightening, which can damage threads. Clean the nozzle frequently to remove mineral deposits that can affect spray quality and cause retraction problems. When experiencing leaks, follow a systematic approach. Start by checking the T adapter and hose connections first, as these are the most common failure points. For nozzle retraction issues, use this systematic approach. Check water supply pressure first, then clean the nozzle thoroughly to remove any mineral deposits. Remove mineral buildup using a soft brush and mild cleaning solution. Verify the nozzle is properly aligned and the control knob moves freely. Luxe Bidet offers an 18-month limited warranty, which extends to 24 months when you register your product. This registration is highly recommended. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, contact Luxe Bidet customer support for assistance. Be aware that some users are pursuing legal action regarding supply line leak defects. Remember, regular maintenance prevents most problems. Monthly inspections, weekly nozzle cleaning, and proper installation are your best defenses against costly repairs and water damage.